In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's get into it. Now we're going to show you how to reset the oil life. You want to turn the key to the on position, push the button without pushing on the brake, and wait till the menu comes up. Then we're going to scroll through with the arrows on the side. We want to go to where it says fuel economy and just go to the side, and then you get to this screen where it says OK to reset. So you're going to hold the OK, and then it's going to go to 100%, let go, and you're all set. And you can scroll out of there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.